Now more breaking news. Britney Spears will be allowed to hire her own lawyer in her battle to fire her dad. Spears' father has been her conservator ever since she made a very public meltdown more than a decade ago. But Britney says the situation has become a living nightmare, with her unable to control her body, her life, her career, and her money. Now, during a court hearing in downtown LA today, an emotional Spears told the judge, quote, "If this is not abuse, I don't know what is. I want to press charges against my father today. I want an investigation into my dad." After the hearing, Spears' new attorney said this about her father.
We will be moving promptly and aggressively for his removal. The question remains, why is he involved? He should step down voluntarily, as that is in the best interest of Britney Spears.
Spears' fans and supporters rallied at the courthouse today, and they are elated over her court victory. But they realize this battle is far from over. And CBS 2's Hermela Aragawi is live in downtown LA with their reaction to today's news. Hermela?
Hi, Pat. Yeah, as you can see, the crowd has cleared just a short while ago, but for much of the day, it was packed out here. Let's show you video of what it looked like as the hearing was underway.
What do we want? Free Britney! When do we want it? Now!
Earlier, there was a lot of anxiety and anticipation of what could possibly come out of the hearing. Many people that showed up today have been committed to the Free Britney movement for a long time, and they told me it's because to them this is not about a celebrity but a human rights issue, the right for Britney Spears to go through mental health challenges and still have the right to make decisions for herself, and one of those decisions being the right to choose her own lawyer, and that is what the judge decided today Spears can do. Fans tell us they were ecstatic.
I had to drop down to the ground. I was so elated. I was bursting with emotions. I honestly can't describe it. It's a really big win for her.
It's like everything that we're doing, this started from nothing, is finally being validated.
It's not over. You know, she has the opportunity to select her own counsel, which she's never had. And I think things are going to start falling into place from there. But it's far from over.
Also, a bit of a surprise appearance by Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz, who said he came to support Spears and call on Congress to pass legislation that would prevent abuses of people under conservatorships. Back out here live, many Free Britney activists say today was very validating, because for a long time the Free Britney movement was not taken seriously, neither by the public or much of the Spears family. And today, with that first major decision, they say they felt like the fight has not been in vain. Live in downtown LA, Hermela Aragawi, CBS 2 News.